If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then an aerial view has to be worth at least double that. Many realtors are using drone photos to stand out from the competition. Find out why in this week's Real Estate Marketing Minute. So, even in a hot market, you want to make sure you're marketing your listings to get the best possible offers. According to the National Association of Realtors, listings with drone photos sold 68% faster than those with just normal photos. Everyone wants to make sure their listings are getting the attention they deserve, and simply adding a different perspective could be just a ticket. Oftentimes, listings can start blending into one another, especially when they're in the same neighborhood or development. When similar homes are listed, adding aerial views allows you to capture unique angles and views that can't be seen with eye-level ground shots. Pools, RV parking, putting greens, or just beautiful landscaping showcased just right are proven to help sell listings. What better way to showcase these great features than to view them from the sky? Highlighting these unique features paints a better picture in the eye of the buyers. A major factor that many buyers consider is the neighborhood a house is in. Does the community offer amenities such as clubhouse, tennis courts, parks, and playground? Show off your listing's proximity to these amenities to get buyers the full picture of what they're getting with your listing. If your listing has a gorgeous mountain view, is near the river, or even the petroglyphs, you need to get your marketing airborne to highlight these awesome features to show buyers what makes your listing so special. Professional real estate photos, floor plans, virtual tours, and now aerial shots are becoming the new standard for real estate listings. As a full package, these can capture buyers and keep them engaged with your listing. As a word of caution, make sure you're hiring a licensed drone pilot, as failing to do so could lead to fines starting at $11,000 per instance. At Servant 360, all of our drone pilots are FAA Part 107 licensed and insured. If you're ready to elevate your marketing to new heights, add us to your real estate marketing team by booking your new listing today. Hey everyone, I'm Pete Stagel with Servant 360. In these videos, we share tips and strategies to help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Make sure to like and subscribe to be notified when we release these weekly videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.